Well, did a thing that I said I'd never do again. Hi guys, welcome back. Hope y'all had a happy Father's Day. Had a pretty good one. We went to the lake. We left Friday afternoon after I took off work, and we just got back. And it's about, say, almost 9 o'clock here. So it was fun being out there with family and friends, and we got to have dinner with my mom and sister and our boyfriend. So it was a pretty good weekend. You know, see family and getting to visit. But anyways, tonight I think we're gonna do the same thing we did to the pasture side. We're gonna flip the Bronco around, take the fender off. I know we got 3 bolts attaching it to the body. We'll take those off, and then we'll take the door off, the A-pillar. Then we'll slip the outer rocker up, kind of do like we did down here, where we secured it here and along here. And then we'll, of course, clamp the bottom. Then we'll try to fit the A-pillar in it like we did on the pasture side. Get it secured, and then we'll put the door on it and the fender back on it and see what our gaps look like then. Hopefully this helps a lot, because it does look really nice right now on this side. And if that kind of straightens everything out, then we'll be in pretty good shape. I also got a call out to Jason from Jason and Joni Builds. Got a couple questions I was going to ask him, and probably help process that I'm trying to do here go a lot further. So might have to cut out for a minute or two and talk to him and get his thoughts on some things. But that's basically all I'm going to do tonight, is try that, because it's hot and I'm full and tired, and spend a little time with the kids and wife before everybody heads to bed. But anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna put you back up here, turn fans on, try to keep this camera cool, and we'll get the Bronco turned and start going through some stuff. So stick around. Well, did a thing that I said I'd never do again. I thought I was filming, and I didn't film anything. So basically what I did tonight was struggle through getting the outer rocker up there. Needs some work. I think I need to probably scoot it down a little bit there. But I think the reason the main door Door's sagging right now. It's because I don't got enough back here to kind of secure it to the kick panel. So the way the door is making it sagged out that way. To me, it seems like this should shift back a little bit, since we got a pretty good gap here that showed up after we did the outer rocker like we're supposed to. Just doing that helped this fit together through here pretty well. We may have to bring the outer rocker down just a hair in order to get the bottom of the door gap to fit right. But I'm pretty happy. It can almost latch, and we got some door shims over here, so we'll probably take these out, and that'll help the door move that way a little bit. We'll probably pull that pillar, angle it just slightly more towards the back, and that should pull the door back some. And I think that should help I'm not sure if it helped the fender or not, so I'm not sure if the fender needs to be forward or back. But we'll get to that once we get the back door gap set, the height set, the outer rocker set. Then we'll start worrying about the fender. Anyways, it's hot out here, and I've been out here for way too long. Girls need to go to bed, so I'm gonna wrap it up out here. I just want to say thank you to Jason from Jason and Joni Builds. Talked to him for a little while tonight and confirmed some things, and I think we're heading in the right direction now. We're gonna keep on the driver's side next time. Hopefully I have a little bit more time out here and I can get fine tune it just a little bit more. We'll put the back spoiler on and probably pull it towards the back some. Then we'll reset the door, see where it falls. We have to drop the outer rocker just a little bit. I think I need to put a little bit more bow in it too. I think it's too flat because the bottom part's not really hanging on anything. So we'll get that squared away, and hopefully, maybe if everything goes good, we can start welding soon. But so far, starting to shape up. Say sorry about the video again. I thought I hit record and I didn't. That's my bad. But we'll continue on and hopefully start getting things squared away. And like I said, sometime this week, Harold is supposed to be here. Hopefully he'll help me really dial this in and we can get both sides kind of where they need to be. And if he can do that much for me, then we'll definitely start welding in a couple weeks. And after that, it's a matter of fitting the fenders, grill, hood, and then hopefully we can take it off the frame. May have to move the International soon to the barn, but we'll see. Anyways, hope you had a happy Father's Day. We'll be back on this Wednesday. If you like this kind of stuff, please stick around. It'll be better than this, I promise. Anyways, thank you for making it this far, and I'll see you next time.